Boating fanatics, here today to talk to you a little bit about some trailering techniques that I use that make trailering a little easier for me. One of the biggest mistakes that I see people doing is actually turning and looking back at their boat, where you want to use all three mirrors. You want to look in this mirror, that mirror, and you reverse when reversing down the ramp. What's great about technology, in this truck I have a rear view camera, but if you don't have a rear view camera, what's nice is if you have a spotter to help you get backed up to your trailer. When using a spotter, make sure you and the spotter understand your guys' hand signals. One of the biggest mistakes I see people making is not going wide enough. So when you have a trailer behind you, you always want to be cognizant and go wide. One of the issues we get with trailering boats and connecting our ball to our receiver is it gets locked there. The easy fix is just to move your truck forward just a hair and it will release the receiver. Here's a 5-flat plug, which you need an adapter for, a 5-flat adapter. So I will plug this in and connect to my truck. I don't like my electrical line to dangle down and hit the floor here or the ground. So what I do is I use my locking pin and I go through here and in, which will keep this taut, and then I go ahead and plug this into my adapter. So with my chains, again, on the same thing, I don't like them to drag the ground, so I do a couple twists, wraps around like this, and that will keep them taut and tight so that it doesn't drag the ground. Releasing your boat into the water, you want to take your chain off first. Make sure you take that off and then go ahead and release the boat into the water. So after connecting my electrical connections to my truck, I always want to check my brake lights so I make sure they're fully operational, and I use a spotter for that. So another tip is a lot of people don't know what this is on their truck. It's actually a brake controller. So what it does is it enhances the brake on the trailer. So it gives you more braking or less braking. So if you have a larger boat, you want to enhance the braking system. So you'll pump this and it will raise the percentage of braking to the trailer. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, like and follow. Until next time.
It's not just a boat, it's a lifestyle.